I welcome you all with a new healthy, sattvic and yummy recipe, banana flour vada. This banana flour is highly rich in manganese and dietary fiber. It helps to overcome diabetes and anemia. Mainly for women, it improves lactation and heals the menstrual problems. In addition to it, it also helps in reducing anxiety and relieves the gastrointestinal disorders. Before I start my video, would like to offer my sincere gratitude to my Guru, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. Let us see the ingredients required for preparing banana flour vada. For this, I have taken one big sized banana flour. If we cook with this big sized banana flour, we will get minimum 25 to 30 vadas. For this, I have taken 150 grams of tur dal, 150 grams of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, a handful of curry leaves, 4 red chilies, 2 teaspoons of saunf, 2 teaspoons of jeera seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and hing as per our taste, and I have taken a handful of coriander leaves. Before we clean the banana flour, first let us soak the ingredients, because to soak the ingredients it takes at least 45 minutes. Meanwhile you will clean the flour. So I am adding the tur dal and chana dal and soak it for 45 to 50 minutes. Let us see how to clean the banana flour. Actually, when we say this is a cluster of flours, not a single flour. This one is called a single flour. So first I will remove this. Can you see? So this one is called a single flour. So like this we have a cluster of flours, and all these pink color parts are not edible. So we have to just remove it off. So you will see they are arranged in a whirl order. That is one inside the other it will be arranged. First remove the pink color, that petal. Then you have to take this one. Now you see another pink color. So they are all covering parts which actually protects these flowers present inside from easier degradation. So like this you have to take. Now we cannot consume these flowers directly. For this, what we have to do is, see, when you just keep your fingers on the tip of these flowers, you have to just make a small movement over the head part, and once you do like this on the head part, you will see these flowers gets splitted up. So now you will see a thick structure out of all this. This alone is looking odd. So this string like structure you have to remove it off. And similarly, here you will see a thin sheet like structure. So out of this single flour, you have to remove this thread like structure and a thin sheet like structure. So you have to remove both the things and keep it apart. So like this, from each flour, you have to remove the string like structure and the sheet like structure, glassy sheet like structures. Why we are removing this is, the main reason is they are not edible, and even when you cook, it will not get cooked. So that is the main reason why do we remove this. And as I am removing this thing, I want to add an important note. This banana flour is very good for the stomach related problems, and especially for the women who are lactating and having some menstrual issues. Doctors, that is Ayurvedic doctors and Siddha doctors, recommend these flours to eat regularly. It will help in the healing of their stomach related problems, and also it strengthens the uterus. Now you can see in this flour the difference between the cleaned part and the uncleaned part. So here you can see these glassy sheet like structures and these thread like structures. You will see the differences. As we remove only, we will see the differences. So you will see that bell pin head like structures and this. So you can remove it easily. This is the part which we have to remove that from the flowers. After removing, here you can see. Now, so here I have taken the water in which I have added some curd. The reason behind adding the curd is, since after we cut this, it becomes black in color. If we add curd in the water, it prevents the blackishness in the recipe. We have to just chop it into small pieces. Remove the end part. You can just transfer into the water. Immediately, as soon as you cut 2 to 3 clusters of flowers, you can just remove it. After cutting the banana flowers, you see Since we added the curd, the color remains constant. Now we will stain the water. After staining the water, now we will just take a kadai, add this, add some water, the turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients and allow it to boil. This boiling will take at least 5 to 10 minutes based on the quantity. This single flour which I have taken will take minimum 10 minutes to get boiled. Boil it in such a way that it does not contain any water. Simultaneously, as the banana flour is getting cooked, we will just see I have taken the tur dal and chana dal. After soaking for 45 minutes, I have strained the water. Now I will add it in the mixie jar. Stain the dal in such a way that it doesn't contain any water. Now add the red chilies, add the jeera seeds, add the somf or fennel seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients. So now you see I have grinded and taken. See, grind it in such a way, not complete paste. You will see a complete paste also, and you will see here and there the dal full also. So you have to just mix it in. Now transfer into a bowl. Now we have taken the rice flour. Add the rice flour, the curry leaves. You can either chop the curry leaves or you can add it like this. I want to add as a whole, so I am just adding as it is, and mix it nicely and keep it aside. Let us see how the banana flour gets cooked. See, it's getting boiled, but you see still the water is there. So allow it to cook for some more time. As I said, it will take minimum 5 to 10 minutes. Since I have taken a big sized flour, it's taking longer time. So once again, we will close it with the lid and allow it to boil. After 10 minutes of boiling, we see there is no water. So this is the rice time. Switch off the flame, and after getting cool, we can add it to the dal mixture. Now, after cooling the banana flour, we are adding to the dal which I have already mixed and kept it. So after adding, once again we stir it. We add the coriander leaves also. Now look the content of preparing this vada. Nicely, it's colorful, yellow, green, here and there some red colors. After nicely stirring, make it into small balls. On the other hand, just make it into flattened. Try to bring it into the shape. If not, no issues. And one more thing here, as you're preparing, I wanted to add a note that it should not be too thick in the middle, otherwise it will not get cooked inside. So try to make it flatten and transfer it into the oil. Similarly, make the other balls also. Make it flat and you can add it. Now, you see, just flip off the vada. The cooking time for vada is only 2 to 3 minutes because already we have boiled the banana flour. Only dal has to get cooked. Now, you see the vadas are getting nicely fried. Now this is the stage, you have to take it off. And one more note in this, don't keep the flame either in too high or too low. It should be in a medium. If you keep it in too high, then it will immediately get all the sides becomes brown, but inside it will not get cooked. Keep it in a medium slow. It will take 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. It will get nicely cooked. You can transfer it into another plate. Now one more note in this, there is an option we can add rava also to make the vada so crispier. Since we have added already the rice flour, the vada will be crispier. Still, if you want more crispy, then you can add 1 teaspoon of rava. And I recommend for this vada, you should eat hot. It will be so tasty. And for this rainy season, evening snacks. Now, tasty, yummy, healthy plantain vada or banana flour vada is ready. Please enjoy the recipe by cooking and give your valuable comments. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming good recipes. Thank you. Have a nice day.